In this video, we are going to talk about that CUET Crash Course 2025. Like there are a lot of students who are inquiring for CUT and they want all the details that what exactly are we offering you and during CUT 2025 Crash Course. So let us just begin with the thing. For this, first we have to understand that we start our services starting from the counseling and form filling. The form filling of CUT 25 is going to start from January and it goes till March. So the very first thing that we do is we counsel a student, we talk to the kids and parents together, and we just finalize that what all the universities and courses are supposed to be, targeted during CUT examination. Based upon that, we are going to fill up your form at your presence so that you can just cross check all the details once we are going to fill up. Entrance examinations are taking somewhere in the month of May or maybe June, slightly in first week, but majority of the time the entrance takes place in May itself. So our services are starting from form filling, will be ending up till the time you are appearing your counseling sessions. Now, CUET is having three main sections. Number one, language, which is English or Hindi, majorly that North Indians are opting for. Then domain subjects, which are like the subject taught in class 12th. And third one is general aptitude test, that is 9th and 10th level mathematics, logical reasoning, and GK and current affairs, right? So we are preparing for all the humanities and commerce domains as well. So we have the module where we can train you either for language and GT together, or we have the module where you can learn all your domains also. For an example, a commerce stream student can go through with accounts, economics, BST, mathematics from us, and a humanities stream student can go for political science, history, geography, and other subjects as well. So we have the complete set of preparation available with us, both online and offline, as well as recorded lectures will be given to you as complimentary so that you can revise the module many number of times. Now, after knowing this, that there are three segments, it comes in your mind that when to start my CUET preparation. Because, I can fully understand students go through with certain, practical of the board examination, the board exams, and then you have to go for your CUET. As we all know that under CUET, there's no weightage for 12th percentage. So when should you start for this preparation? We always tell a student that whatever that time you are getting free from your normal regular academic studies, you should devote under CUET module as well, because you hardly get 50 to 55 or maximum 60 days time after the board examination where you have to prepare with GT, language, and domain, and that is very less number of days. But again, we have two sort of modules which we start immediately after the board examination. One is where we deal with general aptitude tests along with English, where the classes are all 7 days and we provide you 2 to 3 hours in a day. And at the second module where you can offer general aptitude test, English, and all your domains from related to commerce and humanities. So there we provide you the classes like 4 to 5 hours in a day. And again, the classes are going to become all 7 days. So it is up to you that whether you want to go for only GT and English preparation or you want to opt for that domain preparation also. In both the modules, we run online and offline classes. For online and offline classes, obviously the fee structures are quite different. Now let's talk that what you get once you enroll with us. First of all, you get the classes if you're enrolling for offline. So offline module is being, provided to you. You'll be coming to the center, attending all the lectures offline. But due to some reason, if you're unable to come to the center in a particular day, you can attend the lectures live online. And all the lecture that we provide you will be recorded and kept into our app so that you can revise it again. So it is like offline, live online plus recorded combination. Full set of books will be provided to you, which are written by our own faculties, right? So you'll be getting a well-researched books and material. Then you'll be getting a class assignment as well as home assignment for every class. Mock test will be provided to you for general aptitude test, language as well as domain. And these mock tests are going to take place online as well as both online, offline also. Again, you'll be getting form filling assistance. So as I said at the beginning of my this video, that will be helping you of filling up your forms also. Unlimited doubt sessions are there. So if you are studying, for sure there are doubts. If not studying, there is no doubt. So if you study and you want to, discuss certain questions, concepts with your faculty, you can sit with them for your unlimited doubt sessions starting from morning till evening. And you'll be getting multiple mentoring and counseling sessions during that you are studying with us, because 2 months of time, 55 days of time, that is the time where a student cannot deviate from the way that they are coming us, right? Because ultimately our vision is that you get into the topmost colleges, and for that reason there has to be a motivation, and for that we have mentoring session in between, we have counseling sessions in between that will be providing you. What next comes into the picture are results. See, we are a small level institution. We are not that large scale institute. So we take a limited number of students to whom we prepare. First of all, let me just tell you that we don't have multiple branches. We have just single branch in Delhi, which is in Lakshmi Nagar, where including myself, all other mentors were the founders of the company, directors of the company who have got 15, 20 years of experience. They are basically training you offline here at center. So basically it is not much of employee based, employee oriented or business oriented organization. It is just the classes where the founders are involved into teaching and mentoring themselves, right? So you get a tremendous set of instructions, tremendous set of services from our side. It is like that you get everything to the point, and that's the reason why we are able to generate a very good and decent result in last 3 years. Now, if you want to start the classes, so we have online as well as offline modules. For offline modules, since I said like there is only GT, there is only GT plus English, the GT plus English plus one or two domain or four domain subject. So your fee structure always varies, right? So fee structure, for that reason, you'll have to visit our center. You need to talk with our counselors. They'll tell you the exact amount for the fee structure, which is going to be very reasonable. And whatever module that you'll be joining, we have two modules in it. One is offline, one is offline. For online, we kept a policy with us that whatever module that you'll be joining, if it is online only, then we are going to offer you 50% discount in your offline fees for online module. So if you want to pay less and you want to study the entire syllabus live online, so the fee structure is just half what we charge for the regular offline batches. For this, what you can do is you can definitely call us, you can get in touch with us immediately, because I've told you, we take only limited number of students. We don't have those many classes where we can you put lot many faculties. We are a quality institution. We focus on quality, and that's the reason why we don't make any other branches in Delhi. This has to be clear in your mind, because sometimes people say we are running 100 branches. We are not like that, right? We are simply one branch where we have limited number of students to whom we can directly tackle, to whom we can directly teach, and we can mentor them. So if you want to get in touch with career leaders team, you want to start your preparation, you want to inquire, you want to take counseling, kindly get in touch into the given numbers. Thank you so much and wish you all the very best. Thank you so much.